Alright, well, I'm gonna have to investigate this more thoroughly. It's beginning to get frustrating, and like I said, the EM2 had some issues with things getting out of adjustment just because the size of the set screws on it are so tiny. So I'm gonna put this away and, well, not put it away, take it inside and probably take a closer look at it, and double check everything, make sure it's got good valve timing and good spark timing for the ignition. So yeah, we'll get back to that when I have a chance to look at it more closely. But it's been a lovely little project. It's still beautifully well made. So I'm certain that I'll be able to get it in working order, and you know, none of the issues with it are anything that I think can be are a big deal rather. So